How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Slow Cooking Sunday. So today what we're going to be making is this. This is everything we've got out. So we're going to be making a beef and beer stew. So for this, it says you need 1.75 kilograms of diced beef. I wasn't going to get that much, so I've got 800 grams, which is fine. It just means it'll be less meaty, which I'm kind of okay with because our diet hasn't been great recently. Then we need 3 potatoes, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 sticks of celery, a nice beer. I went with this King Goblin Imperial. Some salt, pepper, some smoked paprika, and some beef stock. So let's get to it. Into a bowl, a good sized bowl, you need half a cup of flour, or 60 grams if you don't have measuring cups, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, and then finally half a teaspoon of black pepper, which I'm just going to kind of eyeball. That should do. And then obviously I'm just going to grab a fork and give it a quick mix together. There you go. So just say all the separate ingredients are mixed together. Doesn't matter really about sieving the flour either. It'll all get worked out in the end. So next, we need to take the beef and we need to just coat it in this mix. And obviously I'm just going to put that into a separate bowl. And so yeah, just do that with each piece until it's all done. Alright, so that's all done now. So we're going to put this to one side, because we're going to use that later to make a paste. And now we can get the frying pan out. Go. If you're coming in, because I'm time sensitive now.
Can I have some breakfast, please?
Give me 2 minutes and I'll sort you all out, yeah? No. Oh, that was for the rabbits. Go on, just go. I'll fish it out. Thank you. 375ml of beef stock. So I've got a stock pot in there now. I'm just going to dissolve it. And then what we're going to do is, so we want to turn the slow cooker on to low. Now I'm just going to add in all the pre-cooked veg. So that's 2 carrots, 2 sticks of celery, 1 onion, and then of course 3 potatoes. Wait a minute. There we go. And then again, I'm going to use this spoon again. No, I'm not, because it's covered in rawness. What we're going to do is we're going to give this a stir so it's all mixed together. And in with the beef stock, you want to add 1 cup or 225ml of beer. There we go. And just get that mixed together nicely. Ready to go into the slow cooker. So, if you can hear me over the sizzling, I know there's some red bits obviously, but it is going into here for 9 hours. So we're going to top that now. We're going to try and get it all off, obviously. Okay, and then obviously we need the stock and beer combination chucked in there as well. Obviously we're just going to give it a quick stir. Ooh, nearly dropped the camera. Just combine it all together, the veg, the potatoes and the meat, and obviously the stock. Lovely. So then we're going to cover that. So like I say, it's on low. There we go. It's on low. We're going to cover it. 7 to 9 hours. I'm going to put it on for 8. Obviously we've still got this over here. We're going to keep that to one side. Later on that's going to get mixed with some water to make a paste, and that's how we thicken the stew. Okay, so it's now been on for 8.5 hours. I took myself off out for the day and it's looking really good. It smells amazing. So what I need to do now is I'm going to add some water into here and turn this is a leftover little flour mix with the paprika, salt and pepper, and we're going to just make a smooth paste. Right, so that's done. So now it can go in to the rest of the slow cooker. It's the rest of the food, so the ingredients or whatever. Obviously give it a really good mix. We want it all stirred in properly. I don't want to leave a little bit out. I can't really explain how well it smells. I'd recommend using that Goblin beer, whatever it was called, because you can really smell it. There we go, you can already see it's thickening. And now, what we need to do is put it on high for another 20 minutes and then it will be done. So it's all done, I've served it up, it's become a very nice thick stew. Here it is in my bowl. Obviously I've served it up already for the kids and the missus. But yeah, let's give it a taste. It's obviously very, very hot because it's just done, but giving it a good blow, taking it to the wind as we say to the kids. Bloody hell, you can taste the beer. Kids are going to be hammered on this. So, still like, really nice on the inside. Obviously you can afford to have a tint of pink and that on beef. It's the one meat you can. But no, it's nice. It's no, it's really good. I was thinking, just taste the beer. What's the carrots like? They just melt. And one of the most important things is the potato. Again, just falls to bits. It's really nice that. Probably a bit more seasoning. That was just meaning a bit more salt, a bit more pepper, even a bit more of the a bit more of the paprika, but it is really, really nice, and I am enjoying that. I'm gonna put some like Henderson's on it, which is a sauce we have local to us, and yeah, I'll say give it a go. It's really nice and it's worth it. It's easy. You just chuck it all in the morning and leave it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a like if you did, and if you're not already, obviously subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what you think, and if you've got any recommendations for Slow Cooker Sunday, hit me up, let me know. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.